Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the name in a certificate. First, gather all necessary documents like your current certificate and proof of your new name. Next, locate the issuing authority for your specific certificate, such as a vital records office or educational institution. They will provide the official forms and detailed instructions for submitting your request. Be prepared for potential processing times and any associated fees. Common reasons for a name change on a certificate include marriage, divorce, or a legal name change by court order. To begin, you'll typically need your original certificate, a valid government-issued identification, and the official document proving your name change. For example, a marriage certificate or a divorce decree. Ensure all documents are current and reflect the correct information to avoid delays in your application. The application process usually involves completing a specific form provided by the issuing agency. Carefully fill out all sections, ensuring your new name is spelled correctly. You will then submit this form along with your supporting documents and any required fees. Fees can vary, often ranging from $10 to $50, depending on the certificate type and jurisdiction. Always keep copies of everything you submit. Before finalizing, double-check all specific requirements for your particular certificate, as procedures can vary significantly. It's often wise to order a few extra certified copies of your updated certificate for future use, like for employment or travel. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This ensures you have everything you need without repeated applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.